Megan, what is going on?
Oh my gosh!
Look how big this place is.
It's nuts. Never seen anything like this place in our life.
What's your first impressions of this place, Megan? Oh, guys, hello everyone.
We'd hoped to pick you up a little bit earlier today, but it has been a little bit chaotic, and first of all, apologies for the dungeon lighting. We're going to explain everything that has happened so far today, because it's been a day already.
Oh yeah, it's been pretty crazy today. So right now we are 1,800 meters above sea level at a place called Genting Highlands. We'll talk more about that in a second. We made it here alive. Let's start from the beginning. We found this app where you can pre-book a taxi driver. Taxi driver rocks up on time, perfect, great bloke. So the taxi driver starts driving, and he was crazy. He's gone like 130 to 140 kilometers on the freeway, and just nuts. So we're holding onto our seats for like an hour and a half going, oh God, oh God, oh God. But anyway, it was a good experience. We're just gonna look at everything in the most positive way. So we got to our hotel here now. Megan, tell them about our hotel.
Okay, so as most of you know, we are from Perth in Western Australia. It's a very small city. It's not densely populated. Western Australia is probably one of the least densely populated places in the entire world. So this is all very new to us, coming to these busy places. So we felt a little bit of overwhelm walking into this hotel. We are currently staying in the biggest hotel in the entire world, over 7,000 rooms. So yeah, a lot of people in the lobby, lots of chaos.
It was crazy, guys. It was
finding
nuts.
our room and getting checked in felt a little bit chaotic. We did have some help checking in, but however, the room that we pre-booked, this is not it. So we had requested a double bed. We're not fussed about that. We don't care about that. We had requested a non-smoking room. We did not get that. And also the view. We did book a view, and we don't have that, but again, not really fussed about that either.
It's actually really funny. Like, we walked in and we're like, we just laughed because like, who cares? But that's not why we're here.
No, we're not here to stay in the hotel room. We're here to get out and explore. We came here on a suggestion from one of our viewers, so thank you, John, because we'd never heard of it before. And
so far, it's been awesome.
Yeah, it's really cool driving in. It's like a completely different world. We've never seen anything like it. So yeah, we're gonna get out and explore. We're gonna find some food because we are starving. Yep. And yeah, so gonna put all of the chaos behind us for the day.
Guys, we found a view. I don't know how we missed this coming in.
How did we miss this coming in?
We can finally show you what we're talking about.
Wow.
That is nuts. Ready to brave the crowds?
Ready.
Guys, this place is insane. So we get some food first, and then we do not know what we're doing. We're just going to walk around, and if we see something cool, we're going to stop. Alright guys, we're about to see our first indoor theme park. Now you have to understand, Megan and I have been travelling around Australia in the outback, living out of our car for the last 3 years. So this is all very overwhelming for us. Oh my God. Wait till you see this place. Are you kidding me?
It's a little bit eerie.
It is. It's weird to us, but this is... Megan, what is going on? What is happening? Those people have VR glasses on and they're on a ride with VR. That's crazy. What's your first impressions of this place, Megan?
It's weird. I don't know how I feel about it. It's got an eerie feeling, like, I don't know, maybe because it's so dark and sensory overload, but yeah. I don't know. I'm sure we'll get used to it in a second. Sensory overload, alright. We're trying to do this. Oh God. That's so funny, they got masks on, they don't even know what they're doing. We're trying to find our way up onto this roller coaster so we can get a good perspective of the whole building. And it can take us for a ride around the whole thing, but we can't find how to get on the roller coaster. This is a kid's paradise. Yeah. Or a baby adult's paradise. Ourselves one game and one ride, and we came across this one, which is like what they have at the Perth Royal Show, so we know how to play this one.
I think you just get as many as you can.
Just one?
Oh, 5 steps.
5?
Yeah, 5
okay.
steps.
on, little ducky. What game have you chosen?
Oh, well, they have this one in Australia, except it's like a fishing rod and a magnet. One more.
One more.
There's the one. Thank you.
We don't actually know what's going on. Oh, you got to count them. 2, 2, 4, 6, 8.
If only it was to like match all the numbers, then I would have won.
Still fine. So you can one medium.
Oh, medium
won
one.
something.
Oh, cool. I think I'll have the elephant, please.
You want elephant?
Yes, please.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think I'm going to call him Winnie Blue in honour of our hotel room. What do you think? And let's be honest, he's probably going to stay there.
He's going to stay.
What's next? Should we go on a ride?
We are 100% lost.
We just found our way into a shopping centre somehow. This place is strange, but I like it now.
For all you Australian viewers, you know what time zone is, and I think this is about to be it on steroids. Oh my God, Megan, look how big this place is.
It's nuts.
So we've gone and bought ourselves 2 tickets to the Chariot Cruise. I thought I'd bring Megan on a nice little cruise around the complex.
How romantic.
Look at that, Megan, your chariot awaits. My queen. Thank you.
Oh, you pedal it.
Pedal. I think we've made a mistake.
Yeah, this is not so romantic. You're making me do exercise here.
We are pedaling like we're in gear 1 on a push bike. Look at this. Look how fast we're pedaling and look how slow we're moving. What a disaster. Oh, classic. If this was the first day, there wouldn't be a second one. We've been fully stitched up here. So we jumped on the wrong roller coaster and we've been on this ride for 1 minute and it's already over.
We thought we were going to get a whole view of the entire park, but
What a great first date.
we're already back.
We're already back. At least we
Sorry,
didn't have to pedal.
You're not getting a second date.
No second date for me. Turns out that was an electric ride and we didn't need to pedal the whole time. Well, we got our exercise for the day. Little tip if you're coming here, don't go on that ride. Wouldn't go on that again, eh?
Wouldn't suggest it.
No, wouldn't suggest that ride, guys. All right, let's go find these shopping centres.
Yeah. We've just been walking through the shops and we've just found another theme park theme called Adventureland. Oh my gosh,
There's elephants.
that elephant's moving.
Oh guys, we accidentally found ourselves in a Thai Malaysian barbecue restaurant. We kind of just walked in and we're accidentally here. We couldn't resist. We've been walking around for how long, you reckon? 2.5 hours?
Yeah.
2.5 hours and we've done 10,300 steps.
I feel like we still haven't seen the whole shopping complex either.
There's so much more to see. We are 100% sure of that. But anyway, we're going to have our first Thai barbecue experience. I think we ordered too much. We got a little bit excited.
Jack ordered too much.
I ordered too much. So we got Chinese broccoli, cabbage, calamari, lamb, finely sliced, which is going to be beautiful. And we got 4 prawns and some noodles. And then they got like 100 sauces to choose from up there. And we got tom yum soup. And I'm guessing what you're doing is you just chuck it in, eh? This one? Or this one?
This
Tom yum.
Yeah.
So we have a nice tom yum soup. The guys put some butter on it for us. It came out on a robot as well. That was awesome, mate. Whoa. So hot enough. A little bit of sizzle there. What do you feel like? A bit of calamari. Chuck a prawn on it. This is going to be delicious.
Thank you. Good morning, world. Wow. We've had a lot of good views out of hotel windows this trip, but that is one we're going to remember. We're getting ourselves rugged up this morning because we are going to try and find our way out of this maze today. Jack didn't believe me that the sun had actually risen because it was so dark in our room.
I was convinced it hadn't risen. How can...
Amazing.
I don't get how we couldn't see the sun. That was crazy. Now this is our kind of shopping centre. There is absolutely no one around. I reckon all the casino goers they're in bed still. So
Did we even explain that there's a casino here yesterday? I don't think we did.
if we didn't, there's a casino here, guys.
It's
So
kind of like the main reason
yeah,
that people come here, that and the theme park, which I have to say is looking even creepier this morning with no one in it.
have a look at it. That is a weird vibe going on down there. So we're actually on our way to a sky rail, 3 kilometre sky rail. It does a round trip down the mountains and back up. So I think,
Very excited to see some nature.
yeah, I'm very thankful we found that when we did some research, because I don't think we would have been able to see the extent of this place unless we had
No.
gone on this sky rail. So
And this place literally is like a maze. Like, it's hard to find your way out.
Yeah.
And I think apart from this, you can't even really walk out. You have
No.
to drive and that sort of thing. So very excited. And we've only ever been on one sky rail before in Cairns. If you guys have been around for that long, you'll remember how excited we were at
Yeah.
that one.
here we go.
It's just as exciting as the first time.
Oh my god, we actually do have a glass door.
Glass bottom this time though. Oh wow, this
Wow.
is going to be so cool.
Look at the mechanical side of it.
Typical Jack.
Typical Jack. I think I
Oh
love
my
it.
gosh, it's going to launch us.
We're about to be launched, guys. We're about to be launched.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, look at all the buildings, Megan.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh. Please don't do that. See, the speaker's telling you not to do it. Oh, it's telling us information.
We're getting a little story, guys.
So good.
Megan, look. There's an outdoor theme park with roller coasters and fake snow.
Maybe that's the snow world that we were looking for yesterday.
That is Snow World. Hey, there's our hotel.
Oh yeah.
There's our hotel just behind me there. It shows you the extent of how it's massive. It's ridiculous. Okay, we can officially say, if you're coming to Genting Highlands, 100% get in one of these sky rails.
You have to.
I think we got lucky today because there's not as many clouds.
We thought it was going to be freezing up here, but I'm actually sweating.
Yeah. What I forgot to tell you as well is we actually stop at a temple. So the sky rail included a free temple stop. We can spend as long as we want there, then come back, hop in, go to the bottom and come straight back up again. So we're going to stop at the temple and check it out. Thank you. So if anybody wants to know about our journey down to the temple and what we talk about on 10 escalators down.
So glad it's escalators, not stairs. Imagine walking back up this.
There's so many escalators, guys. We'll talk about breakfast, what we should have for breakfast. In times like these, I wish we had a live commenter on YouTube to let you guys pick what we have for breakfast. There he is, guys. The main man.
So cool to be able to see what he actually looks like.
Yeah.
Hey? So Lim Go Tong, he's the creator of the whole Genting Highlands and the resort world and all that sort of thing. But this is incredible here. I was just expecting like one temple, but we've got caves and this beast of a water
We've got
feature.
massive waterfalls.
And there's a huge statue on top of there as well. That's amazing.
You got to appreciate the architecture, eh?
Yeah.
And the effort.
I'm so happy that we've got a clear day and we can still see all the mountains and things. Oh,
Yeah.
This is exactly what I wanted.
How do they even make this? Definitely got some Googling to do because that's incredible. That is massive. I don't know if the camera shows it, but I'm pretty sure it does. That's huge, eh? Should we take the road to Enlightenment?
Yes, I think maybe we should either take the road to Enlightenment or we should go to Starbucks.
But maybe the road to Enlightenment has coffee at the end. Megan, you've read the signs. What does that mean?
It's telling the story of like hell. So all of these people sinned on earth and now they're being punished. So maybe the path to enlightenment is just gratitude that you're not like these blokes.
So much detail, guys, in this whole walk. There's all these different stops and you can read every single one. It's pretty cool, eh?
Yeah.
This one's definitely the
most morbid of the sculptures, but
it's pretty cool because we've never seen anything like that, and that's what this is all about. Hey, it's what it's all about, guys.
I actually never knew that the Chinese culture even believed in hell. I thought that was just a Christian Catholic thing.
Just a Catholic thing.
Good to know.
We learnt something new today, guys, and we also learnt there's no coffee at the end of this road. Thank you, have a nice day.
We're back on.
We're back on.
I don't know where we're going now, do you?
We're going to the station.
Oh, okay.
Where
and
we
then we just
turn around and
come
go back up.
Okay.
That is a big drop. Whoa. I think after doing the exploring we've done here today, we are 100% nature people.
Yeah, this feels much more like
feel
us
at
being
home.
out here in the mountains with these views instead of indoors in a theme park. But yeah, it was all such a cool experience, and like we said, we've never seen anything like this place in our lives.
No.
So definitely do the gondola if you're coming here.
Yeah.
But we're feeling enlightened now, so can we please go get some coffee?
We can go get some coffee, miss. She's so hangry. You're going to see it in the bloopers. She said, don't film me, but I did, and it's going to be in the bloopers.
Do we need to hype ourselves up?
Nah. We need to do a little hype up dance.
Please, haven't eaten. Can't make jokes.
Someone's grumpy. See you in the morning.
What? Why are you laughing?
That was so bad.
Now that we've stayed a night there, did you know that it's actually known
To
for
be
being
haunted.
a haunted hotel?
Yeah, I know.
I didn't think you would want to stay in one.
I know. I didn't sleep well last night thinking about it, but I knew. I just didn't say anything.
Jack is very sensitive to that sort of thing, so I thought no way in heck he would want to stay in a haunted hotel.
I knew it was haunted. But anyway,
And he's the one that booked it.
I'm alive. Thank you.
We nearly paid a whole lot for this elephant.
Forgot my bank card. So really why we thought we'd do this ride was so we could get a nice big perspective of the whole thing.
Really,
We are.
everyone's just getting a nice big perspective up my skirt instead. Jack is a Virgo, and he is the most indecisive person in the entire world, which I'm heard is linked to his star sign. So at least you have a reason for it.
Yeah. But yeah, don't, yeah, okay. It's the end of the vlog.